This here is the agony of defeat. I got a brand new coil in there. A small one. That flipping sucks. The heater on for a moment. Get my soapy bubbles. If you guys ever wanted a real life comparison, nothing beats the H.V.A.C. Here's the field piece, SRL8. I just showed you guys it picking up that microscopic leak down there in my coil. And the field piece is like swinging in a miss. I'm not even getting a false positive. And that's the difference. The tick speeding up. Nope, there she blows. That thing's going off over there by itself. This thing's picking up the sky. Swing and a miss. This little guy's good for finding the microscopic leaks. Look at that. I pulled this coil out. You can see I'm going to pressure test it. I'm going to stick it in the water over there. We got about 250 on it. And I got to see if it's leaking or not. So let's find out. This will pick it up. See the little microscopic bubbles coming out of there? flow of bubbles. Not big, but constant. See that movement? There it goes again. That little trail right there. That coil's a leaker. Oh, there went a good sized bubble. That coil's a leaker. Nice little trail. See, my finger will get in there. Over here. There it goes. There it goes again. And again. And again. Pretty steady right there. And they're small. Oh, son of a bitch. Pretty steady. And that's right where the H.10 was picking it up at too. That's that bottom section. So if I put the coil like this, it sits in there like that, and that's where it was picking it up, was right down there. The H.10 picked it up, the field piece didn't. See if I can zoom in again. It's pretty steady right there. The other end, there's nothing. There's no bubbles coming up. Some debris floating in there, but no bubbles. Couple, huh? Son of a gun. I'll be damned. Pretty much the same spots. That one and that one. All right, I put that coil in. I made a video on that one actually, not too long ago. What, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, maybe? Maybe a month ago. A really nice family that owns that taqueria. I like working for them. So, I'll call RHS and see if I don't even know if there's warranty on those coils. I'm going to call them and ask. If not, I'll just buy another coil and change it out for them. So, this is the state of our industry right now. The equipment we're getting, replacement parts, gear, it's, as you all know, it's at an all-time low. Man, I don't know how shops out there, you could bid a job and then make a living when you got stuff like this and want to save a customer. Me, it's easy for me to do it. I'm a one-man deal that has a day job. I like those customers. I'll buy another coil if I have to and change it out. And because I want to keep that customer. They're cool. They're nice. They pay on time. And, they spend a decent amount of money to have that coil replaced. So I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm going to make my customers happy. I know that. So that's the state of our industry. The quality of the gear is getting less and less and less. The support from the manufacturers to the shops out there in the field is getting less and less. You know, when I got into this trade, warranty work on ice makers was really good. Manitowoc, H.V.A.C, they would send you the parts, pay you for your time, pay you for your torch supply, pay you for all kinds of goodies. Nowadays, it's getting a little more stringent. I'm not sure about the AC repairs because, I'll be honest, I did a lot of package units for over probably most of my career, mostly dealing with carrier stuff. Very few warranty calls back in the day. Nowadays, it's warranty coils left and right. Actually, I haven't had a problem exchanging coils. I even got some micro channels that got exchanged out under warranty that weren't too bad on some York units. No big complaint there. But it is what it is. You can see that coil's a leaker. I just put it in, and that's how it rolls. How's that old Rush song go? Roll the bones.
Why are we here? Because we're here. Roll the bones. Roll the bones. Why does it happen? Because it happens.